Here I have ACER Liquid Z6E, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, then you have to find and select the settings. So here I have settings, let's scroll down and under personal tab let's choose language and input right here. Let's choose language at the top of the screen. And here you have to choose your desired language. As you can see, this is the full list of available languages that you can use. So in my case, let me choose the Espanol, for example, as you can see right here. As you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just tap apps icon right here, find and select the ajustes, scroll down and under personal, let's choose the idioma y introducción de texto, tap idioma one more time, and from the following list let's choose English from United States, for example. That's it. Now you can go back and start using your device in a normal way by using the English version of your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.